Good day, sir. First of all, give me a permission to introduce myself. My name is Axel Troy Galula Cagadas, coursing of BSMT. I'm 21 years old. What is the importance of PMIRS 5 resilience in your program BSMT BSMRE? PMIRS 5 resilience is important in the BSMT BSMRE program because it develops the ability to adapt indoor and recover from challenges that seafarers face at sea. Life on board a vessel involves physical, mental, and emotional pressures such as long voyage, isolation from family, unpredictable weather, emergency, and high workloads. By learning and practicing resilience, students build mental toughness, problem-solving skills, and emotional stability that are essential for safe and effective ship operation. How will this course help you fulfill your dream of becoming a successful seafarer? This subject will help me become a successful seafarer because resilience is a key quality for a long-term growth and survival in the maritime industry. By studying by resilience, I can handle setback as a homesickness, cultural difference, or unexpected problem on board without losing focus on my duties and goals. It teaches me to stay motivated, disciplined, and adaptable in any situation. Thank you.